Welcome to our custom.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel, CCUK Resin. Yes, you heard that right. You may recognize the face, you may recognize the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. We have gone through a rebrand and I am excited for it. And you may be wondering, why have I rebranded? So, a couple of reasons. Firstly, I'm starting to see some growth, which is amazing. I think more of the resin community is all coming together and we're all supporting each other, and I want to keep that going. And my old name, I came up with it when I started this channel 4 or 5 years ago, and I was probably doing a lot more wood carving then than I was doing resin. So it was Custom Carving and Epoxy UK, and to me, not very memorable, very long-winded, hard to remember. So I just thought 95% of the projects I'm doing now are resin related, and that's because I've fallen in love with this craft, I've fallen in love with the community, and I want to keep focused on resin. So I thought by shortening it to CCUK Resin, it's going to help us grow, it's going to help us be more memorable, and it's going to help us get out there to more people. I've also left the CCUK in because I was toying with the idea of a complete rebrand, but I thought to myself, I use CCUK as my discount code for most of the suppliers that I work with, so it made sense to leave the CCUK. So this logo here is gone, and this one here is in. I hope you like it, but I also want to take this chance just to say thank you to everybody. We've just gone over 8,300 subscribers now, which is amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I want to keep this going. I want to keep it growing. You may have noticed a few of the thumbnail changes I've done recently as well to try and get us out there to a bigger audience. I'm investing in the channel. I'm going to be upgrading the live soon as well. More about that over the coming weeks, but they're going to get more fun. They're going to get more exciting, and they're going to get more interesting. So that's really exciting. Obviously, the resin art's going to continue to develop, hopefully still being great pieces of art as well that you all enjoy watching. But first of all, I just want to say thank you to everybody that is subscribed so far. Thank you to those wonderful channel members. You don't know how much it means. And again, if you haven't subscribed, 82% of you don't subscribe to these videos. Please, it's free. Hit that subscribe. There's a QR code. Point your camera at the telly, which 60% of you do watch on the telly. Point your camera at it, and it will take you straight to the option to subscribe. If you want to support the channel even more, join membership. For the price of a coffee, it makes such a difference, and hopefully it keeps us all growing. So lots more happening as well coming up. So I don't want to spoil it all in one video. I just wanted to explain why we've rebranded and why I'm so excited about where we are heading as a community, as people that love resin and love supporting each other. And it's only going to keep going one way, and that is upwards with your help. So do me a favor, share this out there, share some of the videos out there, you know, like them, put a comment in if you haven't before. It all helps. And YouTube is ultra competitive at the minute, but I believe that if we all come together and support each other, we're all gonna grow together. So that was it, just to explain the rebrand. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any ideas for the channel as well. I want this to be your channel as well as mine, and become the home of resin, essentially, where we can all just vibe, have fun, learn things together, and grow together. So if you like that, remember, it's now CCUK Resin. Quite easy to remember. And I'll see you guys on the next video or on the next live. But thank you all so much. Really appreciate the support. Let's get this to 10,000. Let's see what we can do at 10,000 subs. But thanks again, and I'll see you all very soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you soon.